Are you ready to conquer YouTube in 2025 but don't know where to start? Stay tuned because today we're revealing the ultimate guide to launching your channel and standing out in this competitive world. These aren't your generic tips. These are strategies tailored for success in 2025. Let's dive in. First things first, pick a niche. In 2025, YouTube rewards creators who are specific. Ask yourself, what am I passionate about and how can I help people? Are you into tech, fitness, budgeting? Find a niche that excites you and fills a gap in the market. Use tools like Google Trends and YouTube's search bar to identify trending topics within your chosen niche. But here's the kicker, don't just copy what others are doing. Add your unique spin. Your personality and perspective will make you stand out. Drop a comment below and tell me your niche idea. I'd love to help you refine it. Planning is everything. Before you hit record, you need a solid content strategy. Create a list of 10 to 15 video ideas and research keywords using tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ. Each video should answer a specific question or solve a problem your audience has. For example, if you're in the fitness niche, instead of how to lose weight, focus on 5 weight loss hacks for busy moms or how to lose weight without gym equipment. If you're stuck, download the free content planner I've linked in the description to organize your ideas like a pro. Production value matters more than ever in 2025. You don't need a $5,000 camera, but you do need clear visuals and crisp audio. Start with your smartphone and invest in an affordable microphone and lighting setup. Viewers will click away if your video looks or sounds unprofessional. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Each video you make should improve on the last one. Check out my gear recommendations in the description to kickstart your setup. Now let's talk about engagement. YouTube's algorithm in 2025 prioritizes creators who build communities. At the end of every video, ask your viewers a question to spark comments. Reply to as many as you can. It shows your audience that you care. Engagement isn't just about numbers, it's about building relationships. The stronger your community, the more loyal your audience will be. Pause this video and hit the like button if you found these tips helpful so far. Let's beat that algorithm together. Finally, track your progress. Check your analytics weekly to see what's working. Focus on metrics like watch time, click-through rates, and audience retention. If a video underperforms, don't stress. Use it as a learning opportunity to refine your strategy. Remember, consistency beats perfection. Even the most successful YouTubers started small and learned from their mistakes. Subscribe to my channel for more tips to grow your YouTube journey. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to starting on YouTube in 2025. Remember, define your niche, plan your content, invest in quality, engage with your audience, and analyze your progress. If you follow these steps, you'll be well on your way to success. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.